Hey guys, this is iTechAwan here. Hope you're all doing amazing. With Apple's October event happening within the next few weeks, there are a lot of hype building around the rumor that Apple will finally release a new set of AirPods at the event. Apple unveiled their first AirPods exactly 2 years ago in 2016, and now there are expectations that we will see a set of refreshed and more advanced earphones, possibly called AirPods 2. Here are all the things we know about the AirPods so far. The new AirPods will have increased water resistance or even be fully waterproofed. The current AirPods are sweat resistant, but having full waterproofing would be really nice. Obviously, you won't be able to swim with them, but you could use them in the rain and not have to worry if they fall in the pool or something. Plus, the waterproofing would definitely make the AirPods more durable overall. Hands-free Siri. A Bloomberg report have said that the new AirPods will come with hands-free Siri integration, so that means you would just have to say "Hey Siri" instead of having to tap on the AirPod to activate Siri. Increased battery life. Although the current AirPods have good battery life, we won't complain if Apple improves it even more. The new W2 chip will make the AirPods energy efficient while also provide a long-lasting battery. Active noise cancellation. One of the biggest problems we have with the current AirPods is that it lets in a lot of sound from the outside due to its open design. The AirPods sound amazing when you're in a quiet place, but if you're in a city with a lot of external noise, the AirPods' quality of sound decreases. Having better noise cancellation while keeping the design of the new AirPods to the old one would be a great challenge, but it would be amazing if Apple could actually pull this one off. There are other reports claiming that Apple might introduce their first over-the-ear headphones, much like Apple's very own Beats Studio 3 wireless. A lot of rumors have rose to the surface in the past year that Apple is working on active noise-canceling headphones to compete with the best, like Bose headphones. If Apple does release its noise-canceling headphones, it would be equipped with a W2 chip for greater battery life, and possibly Lightning port or even USB-C for fast charging. The chances of this happening might be on the lower side, but it would be nice to have the option to choose between Apple earphones or headphones. The cost of these new headphones would be expected around $350, and the AirPods price would be in the same range of the old ones, at $159. For most people, the old AirPods fit perfectly in the ear without ever falling out, but it is a struggle for some people. Those people might be hoping for a redesigned set of AirPods that would securely fit in their ears. But sadly, it's very unlikely that Apple will be changing the design of the new AirPods drastically. They will most likely look like the current ones, but just improved internally. For people who struggle with AirPods, there are options of accessories out there that would help the AirPods fit more perfectly in your ears. So that's all we know about the AirPods 2 and the possible headphones so far. The October event is just around the corner, so I'm really excited to see what Apple does with their refreshed set of AirPods. Please comment below if you're hoping for AirPods 2 or Apple's first over-the-ear headphones, or both. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on Apple leaks and rumors. Until next time, guys, take care.